Matthew Letendre here. I just wanted to talk to you guys about my channel moving forward. This is a channel update, and I want to talk about Power Lead System. There's some exciting changes that are happening this year that are going to make Power Lead System even better than it already has been, and it's been pretty good. Power Lead System, if you don't know what it is it's my marketing tools, what I use to promote different businesses and affiliate offers that I promote. And I have some exciting news about another opportunity that I'm looking into right now. And as soon as I get into that one, I will talk to you more in depth about it. But with Power Lead System, they just updated their compensation plan, which is amazing, because the compensation plan in Power Lead System has been amazing. If you're looking for something to promote that has a wonderful compensation plan and can also help brand yourself and to whatever it is that you want to promote, you have a website out there that you want to promote, you can create a page that will have a video inside of it that will tell you that will direct your people to your website. You can do whatever you want. You can create a page that will kind of be a bridge to the website that you want to promote, or whatever it is. And it's one of the best marketing tools out there, and you can get paid for promoting those tools as well. I've made tons of videos on Power Lead System. I have some more coming up. I'm going to make one about the new changes in the compensation plan, and the changes are going to help you make more sales into your business and Power Lead System as well. So I'm really looking forward to that. And this other opportunity I'm looking into, I've been really looking into it. I've been really researching into it. I want to make sure it is a really good opportunity that many people will be able to not only be able to educate themselves, because the products inside this new opportunity are educational products, and they will help you in whatever it is that you want to promote. So I'm really looking forward to that. There's a new metric for what I'm going to do from now on about how to join a new opportunity, because I've learned from my mistakes, and this whole channel is about helping you not make the same mistakes as I have. And the new metric from what I'm going to do is the company has to prove itself. I got into the whole hype about the next new thing coming out, and I'm not going into hyped up opportunities anymore where they saying this is a new startup company, it's going to be amazing. And no, I'm going to wait to see how that company turns out, because all these startups, a lot of them end up failing. And like Power Lead System, it's been around now for almost 6 years now. I believe that's how much it is. Yeah, about 6 years. And this new opportunity has been around for 4 years. Another thing I look into is the compensation plan. Do they have a problem paying out its members? Do they put their members and their affiliates first, or like the customers and their affiliates first? And also, how is the leadership? Are they always trying to improve the site for the benefit of the affiliates and the customers? Well, that's what I'm looking into now. And this new opportunity looks like it's all that and more. It's been around for 4 years, and it's never had any issues with any governmental entities. It's not under investigation by the FTC or anything like that. They're just straight educational products that will help you to improve yourself and to be able to start earning an income online through these products. So I'm going to be making a bunch of videos on Power Lead System pretty soon, and as soon as I join this other opportunity, I will let you guys know, and I will shoot a video for it. I'm still going to bring out some more videos, more inspirational content. And if you want to learn more about Power Lead System, the sales funnel below is going to not only show you about the compensation plan, but the business itself. When you click the link below, you're going to see a video of myself. This is another reason why I love Power Lead System, because it brands me. And I created that page so you can see me here in this video, and you can see that I am also in the video coming up. When you get into the sales page, it's going to be my sponsor in Power Lead System. He's the one who's going to be doing the presentation of Power Lead System, and I really hope you guys will join up with me. I have no problem with you guys calling me. I'll leave my phone number in the description below. Plus, it's also going to be inside the sales funnel. Also, a link to my Facebook page so you can connect with me. So I'm really looking forward to working with you guys, and I hope that 2019 will be a great year for you. Whatever it is that you want to promote or what dream you have, I hope my channel can help you. And like I've said in many of my videos, if you don't join me, a lot of what I talk about in my videos will help you nonetheless. Not giving up, always taking action every day consistently to improve yourself and to help make whatever it is that you're going after a reality. So I hope you guys will check out my business opportunity below, Power Lead System. And I will see you guys all in the next video. I'm really excited to get you guys caught up on the compensation plan. I'm going to have a whole video on all the changes that are going to happen to Power Lead System in the future. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye.